How to get fast delivery on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to get fast delivery on Temu, you want to open the Temu app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now add your favorite items to your cart, then tap on this cart icon. Now you simply want to select the item and tap on the checkout option. Then you want to fill up all of these information and tap on save and use option. Now, in the shipping method, you want to select express shipping for faster delivery, which takes 3 to 5 business days. As you can see, the standard delivery is going to take you 4 to 8 business days. Now, if your item is eligible for express delivery, you want to select the express option over here. Remember that some items might not be eligible for express shipping. However, if the item is eligible, select express shipping over here. You can check your estimated delivery time on this application. Once you have selected Express, you want to now select your payment method. Then scroll down and tap on the Order and Pay option. And in this way, you can get a fast delivery on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.